Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through some troubleshooting steps for 2025 error code encyclopedia. What do I mean by this? This is Xaman Wallet errors that we normally encounter, so I'm going to give you a complete fix for them. So we're going to start with the common issues and their solution. The first error code we have is XAM401. When the error code appears, it is caused by invalidated session, and the fix is to re-authenticate via biometrics, as simple as that. When it comes to the next error code that appears, which is XAM309. XAM309, that's the error code. The cause is node sync failure. It's caused by node sync failure. So the solution is to switch to cluster node. The third is XRPL500. That's an error code that appears, XRPL500. And it's caused by memo field overflow, and the fix is to reduce to 1 KB data. We also have some transaction failures like tech unfunded. When you see this transaction failure, it's caused by attempting to send something that's greater than your available balance. When it's attempting to send something that's greater than your available balance, you see this error, this transaction failure message. So how do you fix this? Just account for 10 XRP reserve plus fee. It's as simple as that. The next transaction failure message you may see, or error you may see, is term redundant. Now this is caused by duplicate transactions. And how do you fix this? Wait 4 seconds, then retry. So the last one we have is tell and Sophie. You can see it's here till and Sophie. Now, this error code is caused by network congestion. And to fix it, you just need to use a fee multiplier of 1.5 times. It's as simple as that. So, hope you're able to get troubleshooting steps and fix. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.